realize, of course, that after this experiment, you'll not only be a very rich man, but a superhuman as well.
Like this man, for example. Show him, Rocky. That ball is solid iron. Impressive. It's a very simple matter, really. Quite simple. The magic elixir. Failure! You're a failure!
What about a
Get out of here!
Where's my money?
Get out of here! I don't pay failures! I don't pay failures! Now get out!
Where shall I go? I've killed them. I'm a menace to mankind.
What the hell do you think you're doing?
This must end. Oh no, this has made me immune from all death.
And so the world was afflicted. The disease spread rapidly and mercilessly. For while our tragic hero was the originator of the plague, and therefore immune to it, he was not immune to it. Indeed, every dead person remained the bearer of the poison until the disintegration of his very body. No one was spared. No one else had the disguised curse of immunity. Some, if they tried, could escape it longer by hiding, but sooner or later they would contract it. There was no escaping the fact of total death. It was in the air, for there was no one who would dig the graves of the dead. Meanwhile, those brave scientists and doctors still alive continued to search for a cure to a disease whose origins were entirely unknown. Hundreds of thousands of chemicals and compounds were tried, yet none of them, not one, proved any more effective than the simplest formula to be found. Run, hide, and die. And in Washington, as in other capitals around the globe, the chief executive met with his advisors in an effort to deal with this nightmarish monster. But no plan of action could put an end to the daily toll of millions. Even the Pentagon was powerless against this unseen menace. Military men who had concentrated so hard using the germ to kill people were now helpless using people to kill the germ. And so the plague continued, unchecked. Once in the air, it struck without warning. No place, person, or activity was so important as to preclude its intervention. And while one poor soul remained alive, he watched the utter destruction of his fellow kind. The disease had respect for no one. Whole families died on the spot. Children, parents, relatives. Everybody lived and breathed the plague until they breathed their last breath. The disease took even its own creators. In 2 months' time, man was extinct. His last representative was alone.
So this is hell. This is my eternal punishment for accepting money to further science, an everlasting punishment.
Come. Come on. This is where your nightmare began. And this is where it will end. Ah!
The world, remembering nothing, came out of its sleep. The disease disappeared with the tragedy of our hero, an innocent victim in the schemes of an evil man, brought back to new life. But life plays by no rules of fairness. It seeks only to protect itself by whatever means it can. It is up to mankind to be fair.